So the first step that you need to do is 80-20 principle. This is the same principle from the book as well. And in this, what we do is we just look at all the keywords. You can even go to the targeting. We first go to the targeting. Also, if a campaign has multiple products inside it, we also go and select only that product that have given more than 2 sales. Only keep that targeting on which has given you more than 2 sales, and also only keep that product on in the ads that have given more than 2 sales. Pause all the rest. Pause everything that you have that haven't yield any results. Now what this will do, you will see a drastic decrease in sales in the first 2 days. Why 2 days? Because this 2 days we are only deducting all those and cutting down all those that haven't give us good results. We are just draining money. What should be your second step? Now the second step that we start launching new campaigns. If you are into Amazon, you know Amazon loves new campaigns. When you create new ads campaigns, once a product gets new clicks, new sessions, Amazon just loves them. So our next focus will be to create more campaigns. Now this campaigns that we are going to create exact match campaigns, phrase match campaigns, and then after a week of creating that, at the same time, once we are creating exact and phrase match, at the same time we are creating automatic campaigns. We have to create 12 automatic campaigns. How will you create 12 automatic campaigns? So in automatic campaigns, once you go, you will see there's a targeting options. In the targeting, it shows close match, lose match, substitute, compliments. So you have to make sure the first campaign that you are running for automatic campaign, out of the 12, only the close match is turned on. All the 3 that are in the targeting that shows to you in the targeting options should be paused. Just uncheck those. And that is how you create a close match campaign. Now in close match campaign, put the bid of that targeting only 1 rupees. Go in the back on the campaign settings, change the placement stats of the top of the search. There will be written top of the search in the campaign settings. Make it 400%, and below that there will be product page placement stats. Make it 0%. What it will do is it will focus that campaign particularly for top of the search targetings. Now if you are confused that it will be hard to create all those campaigns in a campaign dashboard, creating all those, and you can use bulk sheets. The second one, close match, will be for product page. Same way you have to do, but in the campaign settings you have to make sure the top of the search is 0% and the product page is 400%. Same you have to do for the rest of the campaigns of the targeting, rest of the targeting. So now if you go and calculate, there will be total 8 campaigns. Then the remaining 4 campaigns will be rest of the search campaigns. It is hard to manipulate that, but we have seen good results out of it. Now if you are confused that how will you create automatic campaign broken into rest of the search, top of the search, then I'll just share a template with you, just going in my computer, and then you can just go and copy that, change the SKU. I'll show you what you have to do, and the campaigns will be done for you. You don't have to do anything.